Hello, this is Alicia with the Desert Winds How to Knitting. We're going to do a long tail cast on. Long tail cast on, you start with a long tail like this. And this is going to take a little more practice and your own ability to kind of gauge how many stitches you need to get on according to how long you make your tail. This I know I can easily do 30 stitches out of. However, if I needed to do 90, I'm going to have to get a much longer tail to work with. Okay, now I hold it in my hand like so. I'll make sure it's going over these fingers, around the index, and over the thumb. The important thing is to hold the tail and the part that's going back to your skein of yarn like so. Okay, you're going to be working with these area of your yarn with your needle. Okay, so I take my needle, and the first stitch you don't actually do much for. It's the creation of the second that really goes in. Your needle comes up and you hold it in place. Okay? And you want the needle to go behind this thread here coming off of the thumb, kind of hook around the yarn that's coming off of your index and through that kind of loop that got created when it went through by the thumb in the first place. I then let go with the thumb and I pull the yarn tight. Now I have two. So we're going to do that again. I'm going to go behind the end with the thumb, kind of hook around what's on the index, pull it through the hole that got created, let go, and pull tight. And again, we just continue with this same basic rhythm to cast on however many you need to do this. I'm going to move my hand so that you can see it kind of from a different angle here. Under here, grab that, pull through, let go. And just let go and readjust your hands as you need to get the yarn comfortable. Now as you get more practice with this, you'll be able to go much faster. Just smooth as butter. But again, behind the thumb, hook it around the needle, pull it through the hole that you made around the thumb, and let go and pull tight.